Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. My tutorial today I'll be taking you one-on-one on how to handle a YouTube copyright claim. So what happened? I just uploaded a video. We can see important notice. Your video has received a copyright claim. A copyright claim owner claimed some content in your video. It's telling me the video. So we'll click the first thing, we'll click the view option. Then we'll come here and see that copyright and summary status. So this is the song. As we can listen to it, we don't want to open it to play it, because once I play it, the owner of the copyright will claim it again. So I can see the video was 15 seconds. It played a certain song called by a certain DJ. So the action that we are supposed to take, the first action we are supposed to take is it tells me the content ID on your video does not affect your channel. It is not a copyright. It is not a copyright strike. This is not a strike. So what we'll come here and select action, the action to take. What we'll do, we can mute that song, or we can replace the song. So first we will we'll say, or do you have the rights to this content? Surely I cannot. If in case I had rights to this content, I would have disputed. But at this moment, I'll prefer to either you can mute the song or you can replace the song. Once you replace the song, you will replace YouTube has some songs that have no copyright issues, that are free to use for anybody. For this content, we'll mute the song. Once we mute the song, we'll be able to mute from start time to end time. Then we'll say mute all the sound when it plays. Mute the song or the song only. Mute all the song when the song plays. Mute the song. It tells me remove all the sound in your video while claimed song plays. This option is usually fastest and most likely to remove the claim. It tells me remove remove the muted song alone. Remove the claimed song and keep the rest of the sound. This option usually take longer and might not work if the song is hard to remove. So for the option, we'll be able to say mute all the song, and we say continue. It says mute all the song when the song plays. This process takes a while. If we are able to mute the copyright song, we will update any view or monetization restriction on your video. The song will remain in its state until the process is complete. We'll say mute all the content, and at that moment, I know we'll have to wait some time. If you find these tutorials useful, kindly leave a thumbs up for YouTube algorithm to refer and recommend my content to others, and ensure you subscribe for such more educative tutorials that assist you in your YouTube channel to move from one subscriber to 10,000 subscribers. Thank you.